Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be drawing this cute kitten with colored pencils. But first off, let's look at our featured artists of the week. Lila drew a robin on a tree branch from the video How to Draw Cute Birds. Thank you so much for submitting your artwork, Lila. That is a really cute robin. Next we have Ryder. Ryder also drew some birds on a tree branch from the video How to Draw Cute Birds. Thank you so much for submitting your artwork, Ryder. You did a really good job drawing those cute birds. To submit your own artwork, go to KALEIDOSCOPEARTClub.com. So let's get started on this kitty cat. To start off, I'm going to draw two circles, one on top of each other, and then two more circles at the bottom for our front feet. And then two half circles on each side for our back feet. And here we'll go back up to the head, and I'm going to draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. This is going to help us to locate where our eyes are going to be. So right in the middle between the vertical line and the outside of the face, we can put our first circle. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. And then right at the bottom of the eyes, we can go ahead and start to put a rough outline of the nose. And I like to do a diamond shape for the nose. After we erase some of our extra lines, come back in and clean up the nose. Then we want to add a short line under our nose. And then we can start to add the mouth with the short diagonal line on each side. And then from the bottom of the diagonal line, we're just going to continue the line horizontally and then wrap it around the corners and do the same on the other side. Next we'll come in and add the bottom of our lip and then the top of our lip. And then we'll want to come in and add an indication for our chin. Starting from the top corner of the nose, we'll just follow that path up and around the eye. And at the corner of the eye, we're going to draw a triangle shape. We'll do that on both corners. And now we're going to come in and draw another smaller circle just on the inside of our larger circle. And do the same thing on the other side. Here we'll come in and add our highlight areas. Now I'll come in and refine the nose a little bit. And then we'll add in the highlight area for the nose. And a couple indications of eyebrows. And then starting at the corner of the nose, we're going to follow the same line past the eye, and that's where we can start our ear. So just a slightly curved line up, and then we'll come back down to the outside corner of the eye, follow the line out to the outside of the face, and then we can start the bottom of our ear and connect it to the top. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. And now we can come in and draw out the inside of the ear, just tracing along the outside shape of the ear. And here I'll just draw in a few hairs. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. And I like to add some messy hair at the top of the head. And a few more hairs inside the ear. And then we'll add 2 diagonal lines coming from the corners of her nose. And 1 horizontal line at the top. And then we need to give our kitty a tail. We can draw a curved line up and then wrap it around and then come on back down to the bottom. Next we'll draw a straight line up between the feet and then 2 small horizontal lines at the top, about halfway up the circle. And then we'll draw 2 curved diagonal lines for the outside of the legs. And for our toes, just 2 curved lines. Next I want to give my kitty a collar and a name tag. I decided to draw my name tag as a heart shape. Once the heart shape is done, we can come in and add a circle that our loop will go through. And then we can add our loop. Now I'll come in and add the collar. And then I'll just follow along the shape of the heart to make the name tag pop out a little bit more. And I decided on the name Ella for my kitty, so I'll just write that in here. And then we can add a few little lines for whiskers. And then the indication of some hair on the side of her face. And for the final step of the sketch, I'll come back in with my black colored pencil and just run over my lines again. Okay, so now that we have the outlines all done and the extra lines erased, we're ready to start with my favorite part, which is coloring. So I'm coloring my kitten light gray with blue eyes. You can color your kitten whatever colors you like. Okay guys, that just about wraps it up for this video. As always, thank you for watching. Please make sure to click the like button, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when another video like this one comes out. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.